Let's move on, and Shaina Mukaddam and Rupak De, our guests on the show today, have joined us. Hi.
Move on to the next question that's coming in from MVS Rao, who's writing in. He says he has Concord Biotech, 20 shares. He's bought it at an entry price of 2,162. He wants to know if he's currently sitting at a loss of 48%. Should he hold, exit, or average in? Rupak, I'll come to you for this one. He's sitting at a loss on Concord. What should be his strategy? Should he start averaging in, or should he cut his losses now?
So based on the current chart, I see that the stock has given a previous swing high breakout, and the stock is looking attractive for upside momentum towards 1450. Once the stock sustains above 1450, then further rise might be seen. So currently, I would suggest to hold the stock with a stop loss of 1180, because below 1180, the stock might get back into consolidation.
All right, let's move on, and let's take the other question. This is from James. He's from Hyderabad. And M&M, 300 shares at 3400, and it's a short-term view. Rupak, I'll come to you for that. Buying price is pretty high. What would you say?
So the stock has fallen below its recent consolidation, and stock is looking very weak. I know he's incurring higher losses, but currently he should hold the stock with a stop loss of 1950, 2950. If the stock falls below 2950, he needs to exit the position.
All right, let's move on then to the next question. This is Satya who's writing in. He says he has Ajanta Pharma at an entry price of 3,200. He says, please suggest the price to average and the stop loss also. Rupak, again coming to you on Ajanta Pharma. What should be his target price? And if you could suggest a stop loss as well. He's already sitting at a loss here. What should be his strategy?
So Ajanta Pharma has fallen from its recent peak of around 3,300, and currently it is in a downtrend. And recently on the daily chart, the stock has fallen below its important moving average. So everything is pointing towards a further weakness in the stock. I would suggest to hold the stock with a stop loss of 2870. Below 2870, exit would be suggested.
All right, so that's a take coming in on Ajanta Pharma, but it's time.
Let's move on to the next question that's coming in on live phone call. Meher is calling us today. Hi, good morning. Thank you so much for calling us today. Tell us what's your question, Meher.
Yeah, very good morning, ma'am. I'm planning to have Vedanta Aluminium accumulate around 10,000 shares on its ensuing listing in the second half of June. At what price can I have it, and should I have it in a staggered manner?
Okay, you want to get into Vedanta Aluminium is what you said, right?
Yeah.
You want to know the entry price for it. So firstly...
Entry price, and if at all I have to accumulate around 10,000 shares, what is the recommended price? At what price should I start on its ensuing like?
All right.
The expected listing.
All right, got it. Rupak, coming to you. He wants Vedanta Aluminium. He has 10,000 shares. He wants to accumulate over time. Can you suggest few entry points? When can he enter, and can he average in? What should be the strategy?
So currently, I do have a chart of Vedanta Limited where I see that the stock is getting a support at around 330. But I think entry level would be a bit lower. I think 320, 315 would be a better level to enter, because the stop loss would be below 300. So somebody who is waiting to enter this stock, this Vedanta Limited, I think I would suggest to enter around 315, 320, keeping a stop loss below 300.
Keep a stop loss below 300. That's the recommendation coming in. Okay.
All right, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Buy Now, Sell Now, Kavita, and I will take your leave. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't go anywhere, because the market action continues on ET Now.